Let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Mima's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Mima's house. I am in the kitchen and it is just before 4th of July and we are in the throes of making plans for our 4th of July celebration. So I am making my dessert first. You know, that's how Mima rolls. We get the dessert out of the way and then we can focus on all that other stuff. So for my 4th of July celebration, I'm going to be preparing a patriotic cheesecake. Cheesecake has some red, white, and blue in it. And you know we're a military family, retired or not. We are retired military and we love our country. And we celebrate 4th of July. We also celebrate Juneteenth, but that's another point. So I'm going to pull together a patriotic cheesecake today. I've already started my crust because I pounded out some I pounded out some graham crackers and I'm going to make a graham cracker crust. Got my apron on. Let's continue cooking. Okay, so here are the ingredients we'll be using. I'll be using my graham crackers, about 9 of them, which was a sleeve of graham crackers, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. I'm going to use 2 cream cheese bars, 8 ounces, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond, the juice of half a lemon, and then for the topping, I'm going to use a cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and the blueberry and cherry pie filling. The 5 tablespoons of butter I'll melt for the graham cracker crust. Now I have prepared my springform pan by lining the bottom with aluminum foil. That makes it easier to get the cake off of the pan. And then I sprayed it with some Pam so that it could release easily. Now in my mixing bowl I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar, that I'm adding my 5 tablespoons of butter to, melted butter. And then my pounded out graham cracker crumbs. And that's the graham cracker crust. Super simple. Now, remember, you could very well go ahead and buy a graham cracker crust already made. Since we have Noah in the house and we keep graham crackers, I went ahead and made my own. I always make my own. because I prefer to have it made homemade than, because I find sometimes that those graham cracker crusts in the store are a little bit hard, and I like mine just a little bit better, just because. And it's just as easy. Okay, our crust is done. We'll go over to the next counter and build up our filling. Okay, that's the filling. Okay, y'all, so my cheesecake is done. I'm going to let it rest here for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until it is cold, which will be about 2 hours. And then I'm going to make the filling. Nope, the topping, so that we can make this all pretty for our 4th of July celebration. Stop. I'm going to get my whipped topping down into a piping bag with a star tip so that I can go ahead and pipe the top of my cheesecake. Okay, y'all, so my cheesecake is done. It's all patriotic, red, white, and blue, and we're going to cut it. I know it's not the 4th of July, but that's okay. We're going to cut it anyway because we're going to have another dessert for 4th of July. So there that is. And I'll video that and show it to you. But let's cut this and let my taste testers taste.
Work.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Y'all see my folks are ready. They're already chomping at the bits. Okay.
It's so good. That is a really good cheesecake.
People, are you eating some watermelon and
For sure, good.
Is it good, Paige?
It's so good.
The crust is good? Wonderful. All right. There you have it. My taste testers and Peepaw has approved this 4th of July celebratory cheesecake. Okay, y'all, you know I gotta taste it. It wouldn't be me if I didn't taste it. Nice and creamy, nice and sweet. Just like we like it for Independence Day. Y'all be blessed. Go try this out. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you give this recipe a try, please come on back and comment and let me know you did and how it turned out. Y'all be blessed. Bye.